Hey, hello. Today is Thursday, November 14th, 2024. I wanted to look at the daily chart. Still looks like we could use a pullback. Maybe we won't get it, but if it just, if it went up straight, sideways, very tight range, then go up, it'll kind of look like, weird daily chart. It'll look weird. It's possible, and I have seen it, but I think pullback would look more normal, look like a normal chart. Even a little bit more. I mean, this is just like 90 degrees, and then up. I don't know. I guess it's possible, but so I'm just trying to say, should be ready for a pullback. Maybe yes, maybe not. We might not get it, but if we don't get it, that would be kind of strange, kind of rare looking chart, right? But anyways, I thought we were getting one yesterday, but it didn't. The moving average, the 5-day is still going up, so usually when this is like more flat, when it's like flat or going down that's when we are more likely to get the real pullback. So maybe that's why. Maybe it's just not ready yet, but it's starting to flatten. So maybe soon, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. But what can we expect today? So maybe something, maybe like a little pullback. It might stay in this range for a bit, then pull back. Or who knows? We might get it today. But I'm paying attention to this 5-day moving average right now. Also, I extended these lines, the value area of this big profile. So you notice, this is the 90% value area, this is 70%. So we're kind of staying, the 70% is kind of acting like, the resistance. Also the 90, so that's the range. Okay, so I better look at what's happening right now. already started. Okay, so what can we expect? So we're just above the 5 days, so we pulled back and then we're above the 5 days, so we could see something like this that we're seeing right now. I don't know if it's going to continue or not. So back playing with the 5-day moving average, also the PLC of this huge profile, which also coincide with yesterday's PLC and the day before's PLC. So this is a really, really, really big area where we are at right now. It's like, yeah. It's like a super PLC area. So it might do this, it might get choppy, it might get indecisive, and I don't, oh yeah, I guess that was all the, what is it? PPI or something like that, right? News. PPI, jobless claims, all that stuff. I wasn't watching. I just drove 3 hours. I just got home. Kind of tired, bad sleep, driving. I need to be careful. Also have a concussion. I can't think well. So, I want to keep playing very small micros, and keeping it small until I feel good again, healthy and good again. So, but yesterday started kind of crazy, but then after that it was acting pretty good. It was respecting all the PLC and all the levels. It was bouncing from all the obvious levels. It looked like again, it just looked too easy, and I get scared when the setup looks too, like textbook. I shouldn't, but so I'm gonna try to try trading all the setup that has good reasons. That is my goal today. If it's setting up, I'm gonna get in. I did yesterday once, but that didn't work out because I came down, and then going up there were so many chances, so many entries, easy entries. They made it real easy and nice and slow. I passed all of them. I didn't get in. So okay, so I need to be watching this. I need to be watching this because this is a 1, 2, 3 test, and didn't work out. So of course it went back up. 4 times test. 4 times test didn't go up, didn't go down. So now it's bouncing back up, and Q is going, and this. I wish I was Oh, that's life. Yeah, I wish I was focusing. I was more focused watching this. This could have been a try after 3 times not going down with all this blue. Could have been okay, but it just I just can't trust it that well. So I try to getting at the bottom, not the middle. So your loss is minimum. But it's hard to say. We're right on the PLC, triple PLC, and the 5-day moving average. So especially the 5-day moving average, when it's right on top of it, it can get really choppy for a long time. It can just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So it's actually one of my rules that I don't trade it when it's on it like that, and when it's doing this 5-day moving average. So I should just watch right now, I guess. But around, overnight session, it doesn't do that as much. And when it comes down to the 5-day movie like that, it won't do that, right? Of course. But when it's there like that, like now, that's when you have to be careful, because it can do this for a long time. But it looks like it's trying to decide which way to go. I see a momentum. So all these blue, we still failed. So that's kind of, it's kind of a bad fail. All these that can create some force to downside. After all these green or blue, we couldn't push it up. So that's why we are coming down with, good divergence on stochastic too. But I just noticed that, so way too slow to be trading that. Oh, I guess it kind of came down quickly from positive to suddenly boom. So I don't know. I couldn't catch that. I'm not gonna catch that just because of just one divergence. So I think 30 is good enough. Maybe. So yeah, looks like they picked the direction already. Coming down. Yeah, that would have been nice to be in there, but divergence, lower low, lower high, Divergence lower high. What else? Don't know. I don't think I could have caught that even if I was getting ready for it. Yeah, because this looked like it was gonna go, get choppy for a while, go sideways. So, okay, so it looks like a day for good day for a pullback, but I don't know if they'll do that for us. Today we stayed around this area, lower than yesterday, so okay, so this is the value area we're almost there, value area of the large profile. I think below that, if we, break this, we will be testing these values. So yeah, I tried to chase this kind of move yesterday, which I should not have. If I waited, I could have have a way better entry. But if I did that today, it would have worked, right? Easily worked. So just I don't know. I don't get lucky these days like that. When I try something like that, never works. But then when I'm just watching, it's always doing that. I feel like that these days. I don't know. When I try something risky, I can almost never catch it. It should be like half and half, right? But I feel like I only catch it like 10%. That's how I feel these days. Same as the news. I used to trade the news with evals, and at first I was getting like maybe 50% of the time. I was like passing it. Big news, right? But then lately, I don't know, past couple months, I guess, 2 3 months. Last 12 evals that I tried with like, a really big news, they all failed. They all did like something choppy, and the drawdown hit. So I stopped trading the news to pass evals. So from around that time, if I try anything like that, it just never works out. So, you know, 12, 12 news trade failing in a row. I think that's, the probability is it's a very small probability. I think you can fail 12 times in a row with the news. So, yeah, I don't know, including that and, police tickets and all kind of stuff, just haven't been feeling very lucky. And anyways, I'm sure the lucky period will come soon. So I don't know. I hope it's not gonna be the day just watching it go down. Okay, I'm just gonna take a break. I'm just kind of tired of watching every day. It goes up and down and missing trades. So I mean, I don't think I could have caught that if I had. If I was a little bit more sure about the pullback and I thought it was gonna happen right away, then I could have gone short. But I just started with like a open mind. I wasn't sure what was gonna happen. I had more negative than positive bias, of course, because it's looking like it's time for pullback, right? But if it happens like that, you either have to chase it, like I tried to yesterday, or tried to catch, these pullbacks, right? But there was no pullbacks. And now it's, late to the game, right? Late to the game because it could go bounce back up or whatever. So I was gonna take a break, but it's putting back, so I think I'm gonna watch, I guess. I'm just so tired of doing nothing, watching market move. Wow. My phone's acting weird. Oh, what happened now? Oh, we're back up there now. I think these lines are confusing, so I'm gonna get rid of these extended lines for the big profile. Anyways, okay, so we're back up here with good positive delta with good volume, good delta. Can look at it here too. Building volume up here. Trying to stabilize. Okay, so where are we going? We are back up to this level, and I keep having these, small pullbacks. I'm waiting for a big one. Okay, so that was a pullback. I don't know, it's very confusing. At least the volume is good. So yeah, I don't know. I didn't want to short that, right? This pullback's too strong, so it almost looked like it's keep going back up. Okay, we're going down then. The overnight low. I guess it's kind of like yesterday. Not as deep. Yesterday was like it did that and then it did that. Kind of similar to yesterday. And then yesterday we went back up. Yesterday was very slow. After this move, it became kind of slow. So I don't know, but that's not good enough for my information to just go long here. And yesterday, we had this delta just kind of flat when the price was going up. So but it kept going up quite a bit, I was waiting for like, quick pullback somewhere, but because there was not a lot of, positive delta going up. Anyway, maybe that's why we did this at the end, but so yeah, I don't know. This should have been higher too, but like yesterday, we didn't get that, but we still kept going up, so it's possible. Yeah, just wait till later, I guess. See some easy setups. That was kind of quick. Could have done, just in case short. Just in case short, right? Could have done, but it's hard to do when it doesn't even touch the VWAP. Just in case, it break down. Doesn't hurt to sell the highs, sell the VWAP, the regular session VWAP. But if this is going to be the low of the day, then this is slightly higher every day, right? High. So maybe the range is narrowing. This downtrend channel is broken, right? And now we're going sideways. Broke the channel, sometimes come back to top of the channel and then go up, but that didn't work. And so maybe that is what's happening. This breaking out of the channel did not work, fall through. So now we are going back into the channel. I'm not a channel trader, but this kind of thing. Okay, why not? Let's throw this too. So maybe we are going to does it do that channel? I don't know. Channel trading, come back to the channel and then could go back up, right? I think. Something like that. I don't know. I'm not good at that stuff. But more importantly, this action is getting pretty red. Pretty red. Looking weak. It would have been nice, if you were in there, but that was not possible. So, I mean, that was possible. It was just too quick for me. So, yeah, looking weak. It would be nice if I could do some just in case entry somewhere, but doesn't. If it's gonna go real soon, right? If it's gonna go soon, I think. So that's gonna be hard to enter. NQ, Russell, they're all lower, which is good if you're short. So where are we heading? If we are going down, then I guess, I don't know, this low is maybe this low, which is near the 20-day moving average. Let's draw a VWAP from the bottom. VWAP from the bottom is right there. But there's nothing else there, so yeah, this area makes more sense, but that's pretty far. What's going on here? What's going on here? Yeah, I don't like this higher high on stochastics, but and delta too, they're higher. Oh, this is higher, but I guess we don't know yet. It's too early to say that. It might go lower, but this action looks weak. Let's see the Russell. Yeah, so Russell also has divergence on stochastics. So Nasdaq, yes, they all have this higher on stochastics. So it's something. Oh, I wasn't focused. I should have been watching that. I mean, there are divergence and stuff, but you could still do the just in case short, right? Oh. It didn't touch again though, so you have to be ready for it. You have to wait till this break, so maybe here short, so it's really not that much room, it could bounce back up okay, so that's too low, I think, to enter. This is tight range. Yeah, there, right? That's I don't know. Russell is trying to go lower. NQ doesn't look that way so far. What happened to the gold, by the way? Gold. Oh, I don't have gold here. Gold. I have it on my other screen, but I think the symbol is different now, right? Did gold go lower than those levels? I was trying to see if it'll break this. It broke, but it came back up. I see. What's this line? Weird. What is this? And disappears. Oh, it's there. I don't know what it is. I deleted it. I don't know if this is going or not. If that's going, maybe ES is going too. Look like hell, this one. Look like it's gonna fall off the cliff, but I don't know. Right. Congested area, Russell, because of this. So yeah, I don't know, interesting to see this, if this holds. Can't trade it anyway. That was like the only entry, which was very quick. I mean, this one, I guess same for Russell, but that was the only one. That one is kinda, maybe, if you really think it's going down, but you could have tried it, but that could get stopped out so easily. But this one, yeah, this one maybe, but it didn't get there, so I guess this one you can too, but I wasn't even thinking short there, so I thought that was just it. Anyway, it's gonna go back up. Because, all this volume, really good volume going up. Also, delta was not good, but if the volume is there, I think that's good enough. I think the volume is more reliable than delta, to be honest. Maybe I'm gonna take a break. Can't trade this anyway, even if it break down, just gonna have to watch. If it breaks, it'll be hard to guess, where to buy back. So yeah, because we can try the VWAP, but that's gonna be tough because there's no other levels. We can try here, the low and below 10-day, but then if it might just touch the 20-day since it's already here, so it's gonna be hard to pick where it's gonna bounce from. So it might get choppy around here too. So I feel like I don't wanna try catching the knife. That means I don't need to be watching, I guess. I don't know. Should I chase? Do I want to chase this? Do I want to chase this kind of stuff? I just don't feel lucky enough to chase it. It just came straight down, no pullback, nothing, like the simple breakout or down. And if I try to go in, pull back, boom, right? So and if I don't do it, it's just gonna go straight down. I feel like that's what's gonna happen. Negative, feeling very negative these days, and I can't change it for some reason. Wow, it actually pulled back. Okay, so I feel better now. I feel like every time I don't touch it, it just goes straight down, so. Wow, that's unbelievable. I actually made the right choice. That's really, really crazy. So maybe should I get this pullback? Should I get this? No way, right? Because it's these lows. So It's low, then also this channel, so this could just be it. And go back up, I don't know, who knows. Just let it do what it wants to do. Yeah, that's classic pattern, isn't it? Channel, back to the channel, and then go back up, something, I don't know. And I'm not sure, sorry, I don't know channels, so. Oh. Maybe I should try going long. But I can't buy it there. Kinda risky though. Maybe around here I can go long. If it comes down again, make a small double bottom with good, with neutral to positive delta here, then maybe I can go long. I like this bottoming out type of volume, so I don't know. The volume here is kind of low though. I guess that's okay. Russell is looking a little weaker than the other ones. Is that it? Really? Oh, no more, no chance. I don't know if I want to risk that much. I want to see higher low, but not getting the, that's not good. So yeah, it's slightly higher, a little bit, I guess higher, but yeah, maybe we're still heading down. Just a little pullback and then, because there's no buying volume, a little buying volume. Well, we got some now, I guess. Okay. I guess so. I don't know. You have to try it near the pivot, or just at the first, first drop when this came back up. I had to buy it there, I guess. But you know, you need to have a conviction that it's going back up. I didn't. I don't know. I'm hoping for a bigger pullback too much, I think. So I have bigger pullback bias. So slightly higher every day. I don't know if you can call that British, probably not. Yes, you could have tried it, but I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Also the channel. A big volume. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there are 3 reasons. 3 reasons. 3 reasons to go long. The volume, the level, and the channel. So I guess it's okay. Usually there are 3 when there are 3 reasons. It's a very high probability that you're right. So I didn't think about that. Oh, and this too, I guess. 4 reasons. The delta is higher on the stochastic. So 5 reasons. 5 reasons to go long here. But it's because my bias is the other way. I didn't want to do it. Yeah. I mean, I knew there were those reasons. And still that didn't change my mind. So maybe something wrong with my mind. You could have taken that, that was good enough. That was some nice trade, right? Yeah. I don't know if you wanted to keep. I would have sold all of it here because, still we are still in this down channel, and we still could get a big pullback from here. It's not looking like that. Just doesn't look like that anymore. So I guess that was the trade of the day so far, which I didn't have too much bias to downside. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. This level 4. 4 reasons. What's the fifth one? I can't remember now. Oh, the volume, the bottom volume, bottoming out volume. It looks like it anyway. Five reasons. But I still want it to come down all the way. So, but now shorting that would be kinda, I don't know, not a good shot because, because of those 5 reasons. This could continue up. So I wouldn't be shorting there. Should I buy it? I could buy that, I don't know. It's PLC too. PLC, little pullback to PLC, I guess, to continue up, I don't know. I used to do stuff like that, but in the past few months, I tried buying something like that after, this bounce, and almost every time I got stopped out, so I stopped doing it, to be honest. But yesterday, if you did it, it worked out, Yesterday it would have worked out. It would have worked out, right here. And it went sideways for a long time. Went up, but I didn't like this pullback after it went back above 2 VWAPs. I thought it was gonna stay or a little pullback, but it kind of came down quickly, quite far. So that's what scared me going in yesterday. So all these easy looking, back to this, right? PLC, back to super textbook. And this too, this break, if you look at it here, this break here, all these levels, right? And it was some kind of PLC and all these levels, it's been going up, not this one, but so from here, with this. I almost took it, but then I didn't. Anyways, so yeah, so I worked out today too. Yesterday and today I worked out this kind of this kind of pattern. I used to trade a lot, but because it failed every time for the past few months, I stopped doing it. But it worked 2 days in a row, so I had to consider doing that again. I don't know. It's funny how that kind of trend changes, and then if you see it several times, it can continue for a while. That kind of does this pattern work? Is this working these days? And then yeah, if you notice it's working, it might work for a while, and if it's failing, it might fail most of the times for certain period of time. So I don't know. I try to pay attention to that kind of small pattern within a pattern. So this is something I need to pay attention. If this starts working, then there'll be a lot of good entries that'll be available, because it does that a lot, right? Go up to VWAP and pull back to some level. This time it's PLC, so it's really good. Then go, but even if it's like that, it just wasn't working. If it did that, it'll pull back so deep or something every time. It just never worked. So I'm surprised, really surprised this pattern worked 2 days in a row. Yeah. Also the other classic one, come back down to VWAP, then the other VWAP, right? Back to the other VWAP. Enter and go, right? And that was failing too, so for a while. It'll just come down much lower than this VWAP. So that's kind of my entry too, but I just kept getting stopped out by that. It'll just come down much lower, then go up. So it scared me of doing that too. So I don't know. The past few months, kind of like I stopped doing a lot of things I used to do. I think maybe it started, what was it, June? There was like a super low volume period. I think it was June. I feel like that's when it started. All kinds of setups started failing. So I stopped doing all kind of entries that used to work all the time. And I guess that's kind of why I'm trying to be extra picky these days, but then now I see everything is working, so like just keep missing out. So yeah, I need to start trying out all these ones that I used to used to use, all these entries. I feel like maybe the election's over and then the market is back to more normal. Right, the old normal is back maybe. That would be really nice because the trading will be much easier. I don't know how bullish this is. It's not that bullish, it's okay. That is okay. The volume is okay, it's not high. So maybe I'll try entering at this VWAP. I hope it won't fail, just because I tried it. The momentum is not there though. Yeah, maybe with this volume, that's not the right setup. That's when the volume is higher and more has momentum. So with this volume, that's kind of questionable, but this the volume, big volume is here to support it too, so maybe it's okay. VLC is there. Could this still pull back? Maybe it won't even give me the chance, it'll just go. I guess you have to get it after this pullback. Huh. I guess you have to get in there at the PLC, because it didn't even come back to the view to the realization viewer. I mean, I don't even know this, how high this is gonna go though. But above here, it can get going maybe. Can it get going here? Should I just... I don't know. That's too dangerous. Because this can still come back to, you know, here. And then go. I don't even know if it's even going to go. So slow. Can this level go? Yeah, this level can go. Can go. Yeah, this is the level that can go. So, not bad to get in. This level did not go this time. But when it comes back up, it continues up, I think. Not here, but that's overnight. Did not go. Come back up, go. If it came back to this level, it continues up, so yeah, I don't know. Not a good setup to get in like that. Risky. Yeah, if I get in this, although it's all blue, if I get in this and if it pulls back, you know, that's really going to hurt my confidence. Not confidence, but basically I'm gonna feel so angry that I did something stupid, so I'm not gonna get in. But looks like it's just gonna go up slowly. No pullback, just gonna go up. Grind up. Oh my god. Okay. Wow, I'm watching this time. Usually miss all the moves. No. Okay, come on, come on, come on. So tired. What? That's it? Wow. I guess that's it. That is really, really annoying. It's like halfway. Huh. Okay. That's that doesn't look like a pullback anymore. It looks like it's gonna fail. Especially NQ look like hell. But they can look like hell and come back, so I don't know, maybe I shouldn't trust. Yeah, it's kinda, the volume is kinda high for pullback here. But there's some buying too. I don't know. I want it like a cute pullback, not like that. That looks dangerous now. I don't want to buy it now. That looks like a short now. A dangerous short. I don't know if I want a short like that though. Confusing. Some good buying here. Volume is just okay, I guess. Not a lot of volume. Just not much selling, that's all, I guess. Maybe this is gonna go. I don't know. Looks like it can get going. I guess I could have shot that, but I don't know. Yeah, maybe I could have shot that. Maybe. Yeah. With very little risk. Very little risk there. That's too slow. Too slow. Falling asleep almost. Yeah. Okay, take a break. Forget it. I don't think I can focus on this anymore. It's too tired. gonna take a break, but I feel like something is going to happen. I don't know. It just look. It feels like something's going to happen, so I don't know if I should do a just in case trade, or maybe it just looks like that and nothing happens. Maybe it's just the volume dying down. It almost looked like it was getting ready to drop, but not completely convinced. So just sitting above this here, so and it's not quite lunchtime. I'm just gonna try shorting here. I don't know, I don't see. Okay, maybe not, forget it. Yeah, that's not the case. It's more, it's I think up. Getting a lot of positive volume. Yeah. I don't know. That's not a lot of negative volume. That's still quite neutral. NQ is neutral. It's not. It's no. I don't see a setting pressure here. I should have gotten out because I didn't see that. That was very stupid of me not to get out when I didn't see a setting pressure. Okay, so some selling pressure on Nasdaq. Not much on ES. Pretty neutral. Not much on either. So probably not gonna happen. If it's not gonna happen right now, I'm gonna get out. Okay, forget it. Okay, I'm taking a break. Hopefully this is not gonna go right after this. Maybe I was just impatient as usual. Oh yeah, I should have been stopped out, not get out, I guess. I keep forgetting that. Because half the time I'm just gonna miss the trade because of that. So better to get stopped out than miss the trade half the time. That's too bad. Yeah. Oh well. Same mistake all the time. No improvement. No improvement. Same mistake all the time. That's why smart people make money. Stupid people don't make any money. Keep making same mistakes. That's the kind of thing, your health, that's where your health makes the difference, right? Forgetting that kind of basic stuff when it's important or not, I guess. Because I just talked about it yesterday, need to get stopped out, not get out of the trade for like a small emotional reasons or no patience, right? So still tired, I guess. I think I'm gonna, yeah. It's too dangerous to be trading this tired. So I am going to quit, call it a day. And close this at least so I don't do anything stupid. Maybe I'll keep watching, rest, eat something, rest, and see what happens. No, actually, I think I'm too tired. Okay, so thank you very much. Good luck with trading. No one's watching, but whoever is was watching. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I can get healthier and uh, fix my mental problems and uh, start doing some real trading soon. I mean, although the market, has been difficult too, but there, you know, still there's a lot of chances, so chances that I shouldn't have missed. Um, I feel like, especially this one, yeah, there were so many reasons that, the market was bouncing, and then I just still stuck to my hope that, we'll have a bigger pullback, but everything else was saying the opposite, right? So, um, that's, yeah, that's not healthy mind when everything else is telling me that, and I still stubborn like that. I just feel it's very dangerous, and um, anyways, I might be getting some more healing session this weekend, and hopefully that'll fix. And yes, hopefully I might skip tomorrow too. Hopefully next week will be a good trading. Hopefully we'll have a huge pullback tomorrow or today, and then next week have a good trading back up to the all-time high. Just a scenario anyways, but take care.